My chairman, I hello. Weather bros. I just dey pass front of this eatery. I just dey pass front of this restaurant. Now I see your motor for outside. Now I say no. I know your plate number. WDD 419666. I know your plate number. That. Now I say no, my shaman dey chop for here. Make I enter this restaurant, make I hail my shaman. I greet you, sir.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Wait, T-boy. So you dey monitor me? So I no free to waka the way I like for this Benin again? So wait, you no get anything to do with your brain? Na to dey cram people plate number they go. Even me wey get motor, I no know my plate number for head.
Jesus is Lord.
I no understand. E be like say I will find money, man, I can't change this motor.
Chai!
Yeah? Okay, wait. Wetin I fit do for you now?
I greet you, Baba. I get problem, oh. Your brother get problem. I get serious problem, my brother. See, you know, say my wife, she dey pregnant since now for our 7th baby. She dey pregnant since now 2 days ago. Now she use operation take born. They don't detain her for hospital now. They say if I not pay 500,000, they not go release my wife for me. There's his wife, there's his pikin for hospital. Not be smart, you know. My last born, before I rush reach house, I call the ear say he go swallow needle.
Photo, not be juju be that.
I rush and go hospital. Doctor, they say before him go touch her hand, I must deposit 1 million. He can't tire. Now I rush go pick my son for school. Now the principal they tell me say my firstborn for school, he go drink kerosene. It is in a water. Now I still rush down and go hospital. Doctor say na 400,000 go to use flush the kerosene. I dey inside that matter so. Now my phone ring. Now I say make I pick. Now that they tell me say my father-in-law fall from a Iroko tree, break back. Doctor say if I not deposit 2 million, na. He go pass on. The man go to the great beyond. Me just tire. I never get money for burial now to bury father-in-law. And which day my own die for here. So the matter just tire me. Me just confused. I get problem. I just get problem, my chairman. I get problem.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing. Is it by force to send money to people?
You get problem. Okay, no wahala. You see all this your problem, eh? Put on for your WhatsApp status. After 24 hours, it go disappear.
Jesus!
Anything where anybody put for WhatsApp status, after 24 hours, it go disappear. Because like this now, I no understand. I no understand at all. Now when una don dey beg person for money, una they call the person my brother. Who they hear now, they will say me and you we dey related in one way or the other. I know you before. Because we did the same area, we dey hear once, you don't tell me to your brother. I no just understand the kind nonsense where you they talk. Now so your last born, he swallow needle. In a tailor, waiting that boy they use needle, they do where they swallow needle. Now shovel is supposed swallow. Your first son go drink kerosene for school. In a stove where they drink kerosene. Your father-in-law fall from Iroko tree. Tell me what he they climb go do for Iroko tree. Not be even palm tree now. More say maybe one go tap palm. If they climb Iroko tree, fall. What did that one can't take concern me now?
70 years old man.
Una no get money. Una they born anyhow. Small coal like this for night. Una don't climb una wife. They do ta. Una can born. All these broke men. Una be the real borner boys. You go see Odogu rich men wey get money. They don't dey born pass 1 or 2. But una can born every year. Now you don't dey born since why I don't know you. You born 6 children where you no fit train. Anytime school fees time reach now, so you dey beg follow street. You still get mind. Give your wife belle for the 7th born. You can't talk say doctor detain am. Now detention. Neither your wife go there for that hospital till thy kingdom come. Arrant nonsense. You go dey beg. But wait, oh, this life no balance. Oh. Why helpers no dey find person? So beggars now they look for person. No matter how you hide yourself, beggars they go locate you. You not get how they be. Meanwhile, for many years, people dey church, their prayer point now made their helper locate them. I don't know whether helpers don't blind. Then they see person. No only beggars, they get very sharp eyesight. No matter how you hide, they go locate you. Now I enter restaurant codedly. I even park my motor far from this restaurant. You trace me, you get GPS. Follow me, come here. Come they tell me all your problems. I don't understand. Then they see person will not get your own problems. Keep your problems to yourself. Make I keep my own to myself. I don't ever come meet you before, tell you say, see my problem, may you help me. I don't understand. Leave me alone now. To live for the same neighborhood with the person I crime again, I go arrest you.
Run, no.
Brother, no do like that now. Now the same area we dey. We now one. We now one. You now, you dey motivate me. I dey tell you. You dey inspire me. I beg, if you get help, what you fit do for me, may you run out for me. I beg, no do me like this. I need help.
The reason why you dey poor like this now because say instead of you to learn how to fish, you dey always look for fish up and down. I remember 2009 when I knew park come this one area. I see you as a guy, man. I say, guy, show. You get small thing for hand, you say you get small money. I tell you, say one new cryptocurrency come out. I tell you, say na Bitcoin. You begin to ask me jam question. Who be the founder? You don't Google am, you no see anybody with the answer Satoshi Nakamoto. My brother, how far today? You know the price of one Bitcoin? If to say you get only one Bitcoin like this, all your problems for your life for those solve. But wetin happen? You snooze. You lose. See Bitcoin now. Bitcoin now don't turn to essential commodity. Now it be the new gold. But whether they sell a few cents, you tell me say no, you no go buy. You no want take risk. Now so that one still take pass. 2017, I come meet you for that beer parlor waiting for the drink. I tell you say, brother, not be today beer parlor they beg for person we go buy you cigar, buy you drink. Another crypto don't come outside. Now crypto exchange Binance, they get their own native token BNB, and BNB as at that 2017 are peanuts. I tell you say, remember what happened between me and you for Bitcoin matter. Buy this BNB, this thing, if it go haywire, the price go rise. Now so you begin ask me jump question. Now so you do. You buy BNB, you no gree buy. You know the price of one BNB now. Those of us we get the mind, we take the risk that time, we don't take cash out. Una not like to take risk, but una like to beg money from people we take the risk, we una refuse to take. My brother, as you take hate risk, I beg, hate money where anybody make through risk. Now risky money. You see as I did like this, all my money what I get now risky money. So I no fit give you shishi. Since you no like risk, I beg. Avoid risky money. I no go give you a dime. If you like, beg from now till tomorrow. I no go give you shishi because you no be better person. If you see opportunity, we go fit change your life. Because of fear, you no go do am. That money where you no take buy Bitcoin that year, that money where you no take buy BNB that year, it still dey your pocket now. You never shop am. I dey laugh una. Some of una go say una don't want take risk. Una go rather save that una naira for una bank account. That your naira wey dey your bank account na 2 viruses na dey chop am every day. Number 1 virus na be inflation. Inflation na the rate at which your money dey lose value every year. Nigeria inflation don dey go 35%. Meaning if you keep 100,000 naira for your bank account right now, by next year, that your 100,000 naira would only be worth 65,000 naira based on wetin e go fit buy. Wetin dey make inflation dey chop our money go down na because say goods and services and commodities, their prices dey go up. Our expenses na giant, but our income na dwarf. Virus number 2 wey dey chop your money wey dey your bank account, na the recurrent service charges wey bank dey charge you. SMS alert fee, card maintenance fee, bank managers drinking allowance, they go charge everything on top your money. In fact, any money where you deposit into your account, instantly as they enter bank, don't come out their own. The only way to survive for this kind of economy for Nigeria, now to hedge your money against inflation by earning in dollars. If you see the way Naira they fall against the dollar, my brother, fear go catch you. So the biggest risk where you go fit take for this country, now not to take risk.
He shock you.
My brother, no be lie. You suppose vex true. Because you be shaman where they give him boys updates. You don't give me plenty updates. Now this my fear. Now don't make me they tap into all those updates. I know they want to take risk. And you talk one thing wey touch me now. That money will not agree to buy Bitcoin for 2009. It still in my account now for where I don't use a drink. I don't use a shop. I don't shop and drink and piss out throw away, shit out throw away. So right now, since you say you know, give me fish, I know vex for you, my brother. I beg, show me the latest updates. I ready to take the risk.
Since you say you're ready to take the risk now, you don't say all my own updates now crypto. So 2 better updates did the description of this video. Okay, so tap into the 2. Just register for the 2 with the links we did there already. After you don't register, the 3rd link for the description now to private chat me for WhatsApp. If you don't chat me, I'll tell you the next thing to do for those 2 updates where you register for. Add you to their WhatsApp group. Tell you what you need to do to get started. Make sure say you get capital. Now money, now they find money. So if you no get money, avoid the links with the description of this video. Maybe you not can't get issue. Now when you say you go take risk, you feel sit down now, may they give you starch and banga soup with 1 fish. And at the tail of the fish they will give you